In this video, we will walk through how to strengthen your wrist and forearms using a dumbbell. Wrist and forearm strengthening is best so your muscles can better support any internal injury, such as carpal tunnel syndrome, TFCC, or Quervain. Say you don't do exercises at all and just let your wrists rest for several months. Sure, your injury can heal over time. However, the damage and pain has more potential to be chronic, meaning it can easily come back again and again since your wrists and forearms have gone weaker. So grab a dumbbell, sit down, relax, and let's get to it. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of our videos. The weight of the dumbbell actually depends on your current strength. You are not probably going to need a 10 kg dumbbell. 1, 2, or 3 kilos is fine as long as you are not going to hurt yourself while performing these exercises. First is we do some warming up and stretching to prepare your muscles and ligaments for the actual exercise. To warm up, make a clenched fist. Try to squeeze as much as you can and then expand your hand. Again, clench your fist. 1, 2, and then expand. 1, 2. Let's do it one last time. Squeeze. 1, 2, and then expand. 1, 2. Next is to do some stretches by extending your wrist. Straighten up your arms. Push your fingers up using the opposite hand and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then let's stretch the opposite side by doing a flexion. Keep your arms straight and press the back of your hand downwards using the opposite hand. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now for the actual exercise, grab your dumbbell and lie down your forearm on your lap. The flexor side should be facing up and your wrist right above your knees. Gently lower the dumbbell like so until you feel like that's the end of the extension. Once there, lift it and curl your wrist upwards, executing the full range from extension to flexion. Again, lower the dumbbell gently and then lift it up on a more faster pace. Repeat this 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next, we work out the extensor muscles. So now switch the side of the forearm to lie on your lap. The wrist should then be again above your knees. Gently lower the dumbbell like so. Once at the bottom, lift it up smoothly until you reach the peak. We are now strengthening the full range of motion from flexion to extension of the wrist. Do this for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next exercise, we will be targeting to strengthen this area, which affects the Quervain Syndrome. Lie down the ulnar side of your forearm on your lap like so. Slowly bend down your wrist sideways and then lift it up until the end of the curve. Again, bring it down slowly. Notice the tension on this side as you move it down, and then bring it up on a faster pace. If the pain is unbearable, stop this exercise immediately. If not and you are doing fine, repeat this for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now for the last exercise, we will be targeting the finger and hand muscles, as this is necessary to strengthen the wrist. Your hands and finger muscles are directly connected to your wrist, hence strengthening them will be greatly beneficial. Lie the flexor side of your forearms on your lap, while the dumbbell is held only by using the end of your fingers. Lift the dumbbell back up to your palm by moving only your fingers. Bring it back down again, and then lift it up. Do this for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Repeat all the exercises from the very beginning for your other hand. You can perform these exercises for a maximum of 2 sets twice a week, meaning 2 or 3 days of rest in between workouts. This concludes our wrist and forearm strengthening exercises using a dumbbell. Your body has the capacity to heal itself, just remember to rest, have a balanced diet, and get some sunshine for that vitamin D. If you haven't done it yet, please hit like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more exercises and tips for a better pain-free body, better you.